Hello, everybody. It's me. Um, oh my God. It has been a journey to get here. Let's see. I need to see something. Okay, cool. Wow. Oh, we got a Sean in the chat. That's great. Okay. Before I get to the exciting stuff, I need to really quick read some change logs because a bunch of modules have updated. And I want to know what's happened to them. Okay. Cool. Nice juicy update to Dorico. Okay. Just grabbing the ones with big version jumps. Okay. Very cool. Very nice. All right. So today I think I'm going to try the whatchamacallit. The integration with PF2E dailies. Which is a fantastic module by Rionz. Really recommend it. Recently added a hello. Hi. PF2 Dailies recently added a feature set for custom dailies, basically, which is perfect because the legendary medium class, of course, is nothing but dailies, essentially. That's great. Okay. Got emojis and shit in the chat. Let me check. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so default enable unique key name of the root. Okay, cool. Ah, okay, interesting. I haven't actually looked at this yet. I don't know if it's picked up by the mic. The cat fucking sprinting around with zoomies right now. All right, I'm going to let's grab something simple real quick. off of medium. Let's see. Oh, that's good. Can't hear the fucking zooming. I'm sure my downstairs neighbors can hear the zooming. That's fine. Because we can hear our upstairs neighbors zooming. That's the nature of being neighbors, is that we hear each other's zoom. Okay, I mean, I guess we can just straight up go. If you have the seance feature, yeah. Nope, this is the multi-class feat. Looking for the class feature. Okay. All right. Magical. Okay, so this is seance, and your daily preparationing is choosing which spirit you're seancing with. So for feat types, we want class feature. Traits. What can I use here to find the thing? Let's try. Medium. And copy it here. Label. What is the language we can use to label this? Leaving it just as seance is probably fine, but I'm gonna see, because I feel like there's something, there's a thing. Okay. If scribe would load so I can see. Okay, that's not working. I'm gonna have to read my own thing to actually. Okay. And then you know what we can do is just append the spirit trait to these three class features. Technically not true, in the sense that that's not how the spirit trait works in the game, but it'll let us find. Actually, I could do guest spirit. That's probably a better idea, so it won't cause confusion with the actual spirit trait. There we go. Question is if I'm going to have to slugify these traits. Don't know, but we're gonna find out. Well, let's try it. Oh. There's an extension for the mod. Do I have that? I think I have that enabled on this world already. I guess I just assumed that that's what this was. Dailies, I do not. Holy shit. Okay. Well, let's save that for now. Because we're gonna have to restart if we want to enable the extension thing. I thought I already had that installed on this world, but I was a silly Billy. Okay, and then does that create a different thing? How does that work? Medium features, rules. Okay, so I think that just changes the this editor that's already in here to be more fully featured. Scroll Savant, Mindsmith. Draw photos with spell filters and child predicates. Okay. So type crop. Ooh, okay. 1 second. Oh man. I muted to eat a piece of popcorn and I almost choked on it. Also, wow, this is like actual code, huh? I've got my work cut out for me. Okay, let's just try that. Let's just see if that does anything. Okay. Boy. God. Rest for the night. Yes. Daily preparations. No. I have... Yeah, I have a challenge feature. Ah, this one has the wrong source ID. This one is from the compendium class and not the one that's in here. Alright, let's try that again. Let's try repopulating this. Sure, Kami. And then, so the source UUID should be, nope, it's still from the medium class compendium. Oh yeah, I guess it's always going to be from that because it's being granted by the class item, which is from that compendium. Okay, so let's try... this. Rest for the night. Daily preparations. Aha! Yes, spirit! And then if I go down here... And it's astounding how much streaming makes Foundry lag. Like, worse than when I play video games on stream. Okay, so I think I can select. Does not have needed all. Okay. Does it think there is anything? Okay, it's not storing the things correctly. It's not storing the predicated traits correctly. Medium. Let's try slugifying guest spirit and see if that gets us somewhere. Code. Okay. Type drop slug feet. Filter. So we want type, specifically feat type class feature. We want level 1 features, which the guest spirit items are. And it should have both medium and guest spirit traits. Assignable. Well, it should be, I don't care. It should. Because it is. Doesn't. Let's take a look at another example real quick. Pair function. Clean up the ones with job rows with spell filters and child predicates. Traits, values, fighter. Okay. Medium. Okay, I'm just gonna remove guest spirit for now from that. Try again. Oh my god. Use medium. Let's try this. Okay. Oh my god. Hmm. Predicate is giving me grief. I don't get it. And I closed the thing. So now I need to reopen it. Filter. Type feat. Feat type class. Traits. Values. Fighter. Level. Okay, let's try. How's it coming along? Well, I don't know how to code, so it could be going better. I kind of know how to code, but this is a little bit beyond me, but I'm trying. I'm trying my best. So we got filter, type, feet, search. Feet type, class feature. This one doesn't use double quotations. Okay, no, this is... Oh boy. It generates everything with... What happens if I just make a new one? Silence. Plus. Just gonna assume that's working. Yeah. Does that create... Okay, it creates a pretty similar thing. Yeah, so I'm not... There's no, like... Okay. So let's see here. Traits of values fighter. Hmm. Level. Level 1. I should have medium and guest spirit, but if I remove that, then it doesn't do anything. Shape spell. Okay. Quick fix. Ignore this message. Daily process fate function. Percentage. Date all different items. Okay. Preparation interface. Group title. Name can be a string or a function returning a string. Okay. Daily is used or not. So medium guest spirit. So that's what it's reading as, is use medium guest spirit. Sound ending with that. Okay. Function returning a filter. Should be either feat or spell. Min will be 0. Okay. Daily value. Okay. Traits, conjunction, and or. Trait. But I don't get it. I might try recreating it. I'm not sure. Why don't I try? Wait. So F11. Nope. F12. Aha. Here we go. Okay. Maybe this can give us more thing. Needed all. So it needs the comma for some reason. Okay. Let's try something else. Oh, this just doesn't look right. Yeah, comma expected. It's what I expect too, buddy. What? You hate that? Any number or big enough. Comma expected. But then the comma breaks it because it's like it doesn't have a comma. I don't. Okay. Let's try this. This is totally gonna work. His spirit. No. Yeah, it just does not seem to be reading these features properly. Where are you, guest spirit? No. So weird. Okay. Oh, that's so weird. Okay. What happens if I do later? You get a first level fighter feature. What happens then? What happens when Seance gives you a first level fighter feature? It just works. Okay. So I think this is a problem. Yeah. So I think this is a problem with the custom traits, it seems. It looks like it does not want to read my custom traits for some reason. Even though... Yeah. I wonder if me putting in medium is causing it to look for the medium size trait. So what if I put in some other class? I don't know. It's like, all right, that word isn't being used in Foundry anywhere. And then I give the guest spirits that trait as a custom trait, and then I misspell it. Because my name is James Beck. Hi Quinn. It's going. Yeah. So it's not looking for anything in there, but that's fine because the compendium just doesn't have them. Let's see if this will work. Oh my god, that's what it was. Okay. Cool. So what I can do then... Oh god, I'm really tempted to go grab some more coffee. But I don't want to steal my roommate's share of the pot unless I know she isn't gonna have any. And she might. So what we'll do. We'll select the whole word, first of all. I don't know why I'm so tired. I literally wasn't tired before opening up the stream. So I think Twitch made me sleepy. Okay. Does that translate the slugified? Yes. No. Fuck. Okay. Let's just see if we might not need to slugify this trait. So I'm gonna try that. And then no. Okay. So I probably do need to slugify the trait then. I can do. Guess spirit. Let's fucking slugify it in the thing, which looks ugly. It looks ugly. But and here's where I'm a genius. I'm very smart. Clear that. Oh my god. It works. I'm so smart. Alright. So now we can register the rest of those. So gas spirit. Spirit. Ghost. Okay, so now if you're a medium, you can wake up, do your daily preparations, and choose your things. Now I wonder, because you can choose. Dailies theoretically gives us the power to choose certain things, but like dailies could do us quite well with how the adept's powers work in terms of that reminds me, is it gonna open the choice set for the warrior if I do that? And then yeah, it is. That's what I like to see. Okay, that's awesome. And then I go to sleep, rest for the night, and it's all gone. Yes. Oh, that's so good. Okay, so theoretically we can use the framework of dailies to do that for also the adept. I don't think we can do that for the magician. I think we've done what we can for the magician, which is everything except spells, because spells are pretty hard to automate. Like Earth. The system doesn't support automating adding spells at this time. So what I might do, you got your channel skill, your counter spell, your 10th level spell slots. Yeah. I'm sure there's, I know there, I should add notes to the warrior about the special upgrades it gets with some of the feats it eventually gets. But the adept is the complicated one because you just get a bunch of any skills. Well, because see, I can just set a daily to the adept thing, but that doesn't work because it won't it won't detect it and trigger the daily. I mean, maybe it will. I don't think it's gonna be. I don't think it's gonna do that unless I like tell it to do that, and that's gonna be really quite difficult. But wait, 1 second. I think did I make fighting guy a fighter? Yeah, so let's bring him up to like 11th level. Oh, sorry, I changed him to an oracle. But let's make him a fighter. Group, yeah, sure, axe, whatever. Which should give him combat flexibility. And then what level do they get? Token group, axe, sure. What level do they upgrade combat flexibility? I cannot remember. Here we go, improved flexibility at 15. Because that changes. Sorry, let me rest. And then. Because that adds, yeah, combat flexibility, and that adds a second thing of level 14. Okay. Mm-hmm. So I didn't notice, I was looking at the examples. Okay, can I? Oh my gosh, Foundry. Let's close a bunch of windows real quick. But anyway, oh my god. The code for combat flexibility features a predicate that checks if you have improved flexibility and includes it under the same, like, overall daily. At least as far as I can tell, that's how it works. Because it's all part of one code block. So I could potentially do that to check if your if your choice is the adept, then open up whatever this is. Maybe? I mean, I could also just set all channeled skills to work like that, but I don't. It's only really necessary for the adept because you just get 4 skills just overall and skill feats and all this other stuff that's beyond the scope of how choice set works in Foundry at the moment. Huh. It'd be great if I could open combat flexibility again. I'm gonna refresh. Okay, now it's bugging out. Oh, it's not letting me open anything. Okay. That's good. Let's return to setup. Okay. And relaunch world. see. Are things working? This might not be a Foundry issue. This might be my computer being weird. Because it's happening on the top bar. Let me see. Is this happening with other windows? I mean, not that I can tell, but no, I can open file trees in other windows just fine, so this might be a Foundry thing. Okay. I don't know what the fuck is going on here. Let's see if this is gonna work now. Okay, it is. Thank God. Gather some simple, use it for the condition function with arrows. We'll take a look at this. And I also want to have flexibility opened. Drop rows with spell filters and child predicate, yeah. Oh boy, okay. Don't. Oh boy, okay. I'm not familiar with this coding language at all, so I'm kind of flying blind as to how to write it. But I'm hopefully going to figure this out. Yeah. Skip staff entries, yeah. Third, fourth. Oh god, this is just arcane gibberish to me. What coding language is this? Genuinely. Come on, GitHub. Bring me to the right repository. Ugh. Repository I'm trying to find. Beyond Z's repository. VS Code. Okay. Visual Studio Code. Wait. What? Offered now, blah 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 blah. Bleh. Okay. Okay. Cool. Option, you can add additional. Being powerful, including all the typings in the mod depth module. Okay. Oh God. It is so arcane to me. Okay, if child improved. If oh God, what does this mean? Maybe I need to start playing Dragon Age 2 days in a row. I'd have better luck. Oh God. I would have better luck understanding why Dragon Age is written the way it is than decoding how this programming works. Hmm. Instant comments. Give it children. That's okay. That's great. But what do you? That's not gonna help me anyway. Okay. Okay. It's like some of the choices partially just depend on your thing, the Jesus. Oh God, I'm having one of those moments. It's like when the choice depends on the choice that you make in this interface. I don't think it will be able to do anything because it can't get that information at a place that's actionable for it to work with it. But like, okay. Hmm. Yeah, I don't think there's going to be much more I can do to automate the basic guest spirit abilities other than this. Because there's not really a graceful there's no remotely like graceful or reasonable way that I can create a choice set to select any four different skills and gain a skill feat based on those skills. It's just it's too broad. That's why the rogue dedication doesn't have any such nonsense like that. And like theoretically the best way to do that would be with dailies because it does provide an interface that's capable of handling selections like that, but because this is a selection based off of a choice made with dailies, it just doesn't work. So I think that's as far as I can go on that. Oh boy. What now? Well, I guess I'll add notes to the Warriors things. Oh god, yeah, I have a bunch of effects I need to do. Hmm. Well. Okay. Let's see. Okay, no. That might just live in here. Yeah. Shit. All right. Oh, we're gonna take a quick 5-minute break. I'll see you guys in just a moment. Just a minute. Just a few minutes, technically. Hi, break over. I forgot I put desktop audio on the Be Right Back screen, and I watched a video on Twitter. uh, oh well. There are worse videos I could have watched on Twitter while taking a quick break from stream to pour water back into my brain. Oh, cool. A direct message. Perfect. Great. Good stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna read that later. But thank you for sending it to me. All right. Assassin. All right. Pouring water into my brain didn't work, but nonetheless, I'm scheduled for another. Let me do some about another hour. But I'm probably gonna end tonight a little early because I'm starting to hit that part of the project that is really boring, and I don't want to do it on stream because I get too bored, and it's hard to be. Oh, that'd be fun. Ooh. Maybe we'll go over there. We'll see. Oh man, I don't even want to think about some of the stuff I have to do for this. Choose and learn a new language. Oh wait, this is another daily preparation I can add. One more skills, a channel skill. Cool. Stacy doesn't increase if the topic is uncommon. Alright. You know what? I'm gonna say to myself, I'll go to 5. And I will spend that time setting up Xenoglossia. So let's see. So, language. Sports blessing. So, okay. Okay, and then Xenoglossia also adds a lore skill. So I'm gonna want to add another row to that, but I don't know how to do that. So first, thaumaturgy tome. Children, adept, second intense paragon. Okay. But first, oh god. Okay. They do. But the dailies module uh has a way of handling lore skills that you gain per day. Oh, this is a whole thing. Let's try using something else as a template. Because honestly, I don't actually remember how the thaumaturgy tome works. Let's do trained lore. Oh, God's sakes. Also, it should have scaling proficient. Let me just actually reread thaumaturgy tome so I can see how much of that I'm going to be able to, how much of that code I'm going to be able to just wholesale steal. Okay. Thaumaturge. I think, and this is my hot take, I think Thaumaturge and Psychic. Oh, no, they shouldn't have been. I was going to say they should have been uncommon. I can see an argument for that, but I also think, but also Gunslinger and Inventor were made uncommon for a very specific, like, meta reason in regards to the way uncommon character options work on a meta level for enshrining GM permission. And on that level, I don't think Thom and Psychic need to be uncommon. But in terms of, like, in-world, I think Psychics and Thaumaturges are uncommon. I don't think I can go up to Joe Schmo the carrot farmer and ask him what a thaumaturge is. I think he's gonna tell me to fuck off and let him keep farming his carrots, and he would be right to do so. God, I really need to play a thaumaturge one of these days. Game of train proficiency. Expert in one of the skills and trained in the other. Ugh. You're an expert in both skills. Okay. Intensify vulnerability. Man, that's a good ass ability. Cool. Alright. Both are legendary. Okay. Yeah, so I can use Tome as an example to steal a bunch of stuff from it. Okay. Daily. Get choice set rule selection tone. So you don't need that. But, and you don't need these. Second event. Prepare utils. Someone's register checking. Complex data gathering. Okay. So this is your look. So prepare utils, actor, children. So this is for data checking. Which honestly, we might not have to do because this is pretty simple. We're just implementing a scaling lore skill. To type input. Okay. Okay. So row, so I guess we could just add a new row of type input slug skill. Oh, but then I have to figure out the process such that it makes it a, so that it auto scales it to make it a channeled skill essentially. Type input slug skill. Okay, so it has that, and then I want, just gonna copy this so I can look at it and reference it, and then delete this. Please don't. Oh, beans on fucking toast. Okay. Forgot to save it. Bane of my existence. Okay. Type input slug skill. Rows. Add rule element. Rule language value. Languages, okay. And then you want to, how do we get multiple processes going? What is the, we're looking at for that? Create, update, set up the different chat messages. Okay. Stay fields remain, but it's true, create more so. Okay. God damn it, I did it again. I did it a fucking again. Slug skill. There. Now I need to just tell it what to do with that skill. Okay. If actor level greater than or equal to 5. Create, okay. Utils, create lore source. Name value. Oh boy, okay, this is a little complicated. Right now, what we have it doing, processes add item, skill value creates source, name R, rank 1, and selected label. Okay. Yep, I don't know what this means. But I'm not gonna figure it out today because I'm very sleepy. But nonetheless, Xenoglossia should at least now let you select a language. If you type this in, oh, shut up. There, rest. No, fuck me. Why? Oh, because its fucking source ID is fucked up. And it can only reference the source ID. Shit. Okay. I might have to do something about that. That might fuck up all of my everything. Yeah, it probably is gonna. Well, I'm not gonna worry about it right now. Thank you all for joining me on this somewhat messy Foundry Friday. Have a fantastic weekend, everybody, and I hope you'll join me tomorrow for the next episode in our saga of our playthrough of Dragon Age Origins. Oh God, I have to fix the crash that I was dealing with in that game. It's gonna be great. Have a good night, everybody, and thank you for joining me.